A resignation letter is a formal document you send to notify your employer of your intention to leave the company. It serves as a record and sets the tone for your departure. Welcome to Vacancies. Today, we are discussing how to write a professional resignation letter. A well-crafted resignation letter helps you leave the company on good terms and sets the tone for future opportunities. Let's get started. There are 7 key components of a resignation letter. 1 is the header, 2 is the salutation, 3 is the statement of resignation, 4 is the last working day, 5 is the gratitude statement, 6 is the offer of assistance, and 7 is your closing and signing. Let's take them one after the other. The first is the header. The header includes your contact information, the date, and your manager's information. For example, Dear Donald, try as much as possible to avoid statements like, to whom it may concern. Next is the statement of resignation. Start your letter by clearly stating your intention to resign. For example, I am writing this letter to officially notify you of my intention to resign from the position of a legal associate at XYZ Limited, effective 31st December 2024. Your notice period is typically determined by your contract. For some companies, it could be 2 weeks. For others, it could be a month or more. Make sure to state it clearly in your resignation letter to avoid any confusion. Next is the gratitude statement. Express your gratitude for the opportunity to work and learn in the company. Make sure to keep this section genuine and professional. For example, I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to grow professionally and personally in XYZ Limited. The support of the group has been invaluable and will forever benefit my career. The next section of your resignation letter is the offer of assistance. Offer your assistance in training the replacement and ensuring a smooth handover of your responsibilities. This makes you look professional and leaves a positive impression for the company. The last part of your resignation letter is the closing and signature. End with a polite phrase and add your full name. For example, yours faithfully, Abena Opoku, or yours sincerely, Abena Opoku, and add your signature. Thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.